Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding picnic tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kidnic Picnic Table Children White. Children would gather around this Kidnic table and enjoy fun activities or snacks. It is great for either outdoors or indoors. It can accommodate many people at the same time without any issues. Especially, you can set up the table in a few minutes without needing additional tools. After each use, it can be folded easily to fit into your vehicle and save space when storing. And it is also quick to clean the surface of the table with a damp cloth. The surface is smooth to allow for easy cleaning and maintenance. Moreover, with a compact design, you can easily carry it anywhere and enjoy it. To be sure that it is easy for use, the plan is sleek and lightweight to enhance its portability. The frame is crafted from premium metal to ensure durability. From the beach to the kitchen, the uses of this table are almost limitless. Moving on at number 4, we have the KidKraft Outdoor Benches and Table Umbrella. Most of the children love enjoying new things about furniture, especially when the design is for them, and this KidKraft set is one of these. Includes some of the features such as umbrella and cushions, so that will be easier to use for every season. On the other hand, this folding picnic table bench can be used for many purposes and applications. Thanks to its durable construction, you can use it for many years without any wear and tear. The sitting area can accommodate many people at the same time. Furthermore, it is crafted from durable and premium material to allow for better versatility and convenience. So, everything can be set up quickly without other hardware or tools, and its lightweight construction can allow for easy carrying and transport. Anyway, there is a provide bag so that you can keep it inside when not in use. The height can be adjusted easily to use in uneven surfaces overall, and it is perfect for playing games, eating meals, and other outdoor activities. At number 3, we have the Merry Garden Wooden Outdoor Folding Picnic Tables for Kid. This classic folding wooden picnic table for kids from Merry Garden is a great product to make your kid can enjoy in the garden. And you also can buy it as a gift for your kids this Christmas. It requires minimal assembly to save your time and efforts for finding a gift for your kid. The package includes everything that you need to know for assembling. When not in use, you can store it in the bag to save your space. And also, the surface can resist stains, making it easier to clean and maintain. Moreover, its non-slip feet will ensure stability and prevent scratches to your floor. Besides, it is spacious enough to accommodate many people at the same time. There will be no cracks or breaks even when you use it for heavy-duty tasks. There are independent benches so that you can sit anywhere you want. Anyway, thanks to a portable design, it is simple to transport this table and enjoy it. Another critical point, the bench can accommodate up to 100 pounds on each side. At number 2, we have the Lifetime 80,425 Folding Kids Table 24-inch. Measuring at 24 by 24 by 21 inches, the Lifetime 80,425 table is compact and portable to allow your kids to sit and enjoy anywhere. It is made for both outdoor and indoor use, and the design is sleek and lightweight to enhance its portability. Moreover, the frames are crafted from premium metal to ensure durability. It is also quick to clean the surface of the table with a damp cloth. This Lifetime folding picnic table for kid can accommodate many people at the same time without any issues. It is also resistant to water and scratches to last for years. It is ideal for various applications and spaces. The surface is smooth to allow for easy cleaning and maintenance. After each use, it can be folded easily to fit into your vehicle and save space when storing. This table is best for kids from 3 to 9 years old. And finally at number 1, we have the 2x4 Basics 901820NLMI Table Kit Custom Folding Picnic Tables for Kid. The 2x4 Basics Table Kit is carefully designed and tested to make outdoor projects simpler and more fun. since they design as good as it is beautiful and stylish to stand anywhere in your home. And also, this table can be used for many purposes and applications. Thanks to the durable construction, you can use it for many years without any wear and tear. Moreover, the sitting area can accommodate many people at the same time. This folding picnic tables for kid is crafted from durable and premium material to allow for better versatility and convenience. On the other hand, its lightweight construction can allow for easy carrying and transport. After each use, you can easily fold down to a smaller size and bring it anywhere you want. Also, everything can be set up quickly without other hardware or tools, and its surface is smooth and stain-resistant for quick and easy cleaning. With this set, your children can enjoy many hours of fun and pleasure. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.